Today, the oil market is going through a correction. Oil prices are sliding, having hit the strongest level since March. Brent crude spiked to $43.80 a barrel earlier in the week. Despite a positive information background, sellers are holding the upper hand in the market for a while. Both benchmark grades are trading under pressure. On the whole, market participants are downplaying the risks of the second pandemic wave, though they are keeping close tabs on the coronavirus cases. As some countries reported new outbreaks, oil prices halted their rapid rally. Oil futures dropped on Wednesday in light of yesterday's update on the US crude inventories from the American Petroleum Institute. The pile stocks grew much more than expected by 1.7 million barrels last week. Today, official data from the Energy Information Administration will clear up trading sentiment in the oil market. Besides, the oil trajectory will depend on statistics on oversupplies in the storage facilities in Cushing. These stocks have been going down for 6 weeks in a row. August Brent crude futures were 1% down in the morning trade at $41.93 a barrel. WTI futures with the nearest expiration also shed over 1%. The North American benchmark grade was trading at $39.50 a barrel. If the government data confirms a similar increase in US oil inventories following the API industry group, oil prices are set to continue the downward trajectory. The recent advance of oil prices encourages interest in Russian assets. Nevertheless, the ruble is unable to assert itself. Investors are cautious about buying the Russian currency as it could be losing momentum. Such hesitation is going to last for the nearest days or perhaps weeks. Market participants are making tentative forecasts that stock markets are actually reviving alongside oil prices. Besides, they are betting against the US dollar. Today, the oil market is going through a downward correction, while the US dollar index is striving to win back some of yesterday's losses. This is putting pressure on the ruble. On Wednesday, the dollar-ruble pair is trading mainly flat at 68.80 in midday, a bit higher than 68.55 yesterday. Despite the comfortable forex rate as of now, the ruble has prospects for a further decline. At present, traders are poised to buy riskier assets. Their optimism is fed by the signs of the economic recovery. At the same time, traders neglect worrisome facts of rampant coronavirus cases. Remarkably, some American states reported a record spike in the number of infected people. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.